You want to see something cool? Masonry. Let's check it out. Look at this. SPEC mix mortar. It all begins with masonry mortar. Let's go see what's going on inside. Check this out. You gotta come with me. This is where it all happens. Look at masonry. It's all over the place. Danny, what do you love about masonry?
Playing in the mud, son.
We get to play in the mud. Ladies like masonry too. What do you like about masonry?
Masonry rocks.
Masonry rocks.
Masonry is so beautiful. Like, come on down and you can create something as beautiful as this. Seriously, look at the details.
Who else loves masonry? More girls.
Come on, girls, and show the guys how it's done.
Yeah. Girl power. What do you love about masonry? Tell them.
Everything.
It all starts with masonry. SPEC mix, the masons, keeping the trade strong. What about the trainers? Who else can do it?
Everybody, even old men like me love masonry. 30 years ago, I won this contest. 30 years ago, and I'm still in the industry.
Hey, Masonry Strong, right, brother?
Absolutely.
Who else loves masonry? What about owners?
Masonry. Masonry's been around since the pyramids. The pyramids are still standing. No better building material out there, bottom line.
This is what makes masonry the best. Check it out. Masonry, it's in the blood all day long. What do you love about masonry?
Are you kidding me? You can't beat masonry. It doesn't burn. It doesn't rot. It doesn't float. The whole world should be masonry. There ought to be a building code in the United States that says no stick building, brick and block only, put together with SPEC mix.
That's right. You teach the trades. What else? Kim Haley, we gotta do it. What do you love about masonry, Kim?
Marshalltown tools.
One of the best.
The only.
The only. Masonry Strong. All day. SkillsUSA, Masonry Strong. Even though young, like Jack. Jack, what do you love about masonry, man?
It's the greatest profession of all time. I love it.
All time, Masonry Strong. SkillsUSA, SPEC mix, bringing it to you.